Well, I started fabricating about 12 years ago. I was a field welder, and out in the field you got to use straps, chains, forklifts, and anything you can get your hands on to get material moved. Some of the days were pretty brutal. I mean, you come home, you're hurting, your back's sore, and it's just not a fun environment or a safe environment for that matter.
I've been fabricating for about 10 years. Before I started, I was working with fork trucks. That was the only way to be able to move anything. You had to drive up your piece, pick it up, strap it several different ways, get off your fork truck, reattend it, flip it, and then do your work. At the same time, when you're done doing that, you gotta do it again. With a positioner, it's all there for you. You just clamp it up, rotate as you want to be.
As soon as I got my hands on one of these positioners, it changed my life. It was amazing. Projects are going through quicker, smoother, looking better, and outside of work, it's amazing. I'm able to go out and play a round of golf after a 10-hour day. It's not bad at all.
Positioning has changed big time. We can actually be able to sit in a comfortable position or stand however you'd like to be. Our rotation, any way you want to be, 360 degrees, 2-3 different axes. We can provide different many positions as far as if you want to be up high, down low, overhead, it all is there.
The additional axis is great. It allows us to get into so many more positions that you wouldn't be able to using straps and chains. Using the positioner has been amazing. I mean, you get rid of the chains and the straps and you literally bolt your part to the column. You can rotate it 360 degrees up and down. I mean, it's just a dream to use.
Huge on turnaround time. Turnaround time, to be able to put something up and not have to move it ever again, you're probably saving half your time of what it'd take you to do it with a fork truck or a crane. Just not having to pick it up and move it all the time is the biggest part. As long as you can just bolt it down and continue to put your parts on and weld, you're good to go. You will definitely see a dramatic difference in your product as far as how it comes out and how fast. Having different axes makes it easier for, you don't have to stand, move around. You can, if you want, you can sit in one spot and weld your product all day long. As long as you got a chair that rolls, you can keep on moving.
The intelligent upgrades are a big help also. We have Center Point, which allows us to build a complete product without looking at the print. It tells us step by step what to do, and it cuts time off.
When I first started, which was about a year ago, I had just a positioner back here, a manual positioner, and we have recently added Center Point to our positioner, which upgrades us to not have to look at our prints. It can actually move itself for you when it knows to be moved. After you have put your spots in, it will do the work for you as well. It will move it around, and all you gotta do is weld.
I never would have thought I would have been able to program or run a robot ever. I took a simple class, 4 or 5 days, and now I'm programming the robot and using it to build our product. And it's very cost effective and saves me time to get out more orders.
Definitely. At the end of the day, we feel great about what we do. It gives us an uplifting spirit, you could say, to be able to come into work and be able to push out good product. The positioner, like I've said, it does everything for you. You just have to do your manual skill of welding.
If ALM ever took my positioner away, I'd walk out the door. Plain and simple.